The NVIDIA H200 is one of the most powerful GPUs designed for artificial intelligence workloads and high-performance computing. But who actually produces it? First, let's be clear. The H200 is designed by NVIDIA, the American tech giant that dominates the AI chip industry. But NVIDIA does not manufacture its own chips. Instead, it relies on TSMC, the Taiwan semiconductor manufacturing company, the world's leading chip foundry. TSMC fabricates the H200 on its cutting-edge 5nm process, the same one used in NVIDIA's H100. The memory used in the H200 is HBM3E, a new type of ultra-fast memory that allows it to outperform previous models. This memory is typically produced by Samsung and SK Hynix. Once the chips are manufactured, they are shipped to NVIDIA or its partners for packaging, testing, and integration into powerful server-grade products like the DGX or HGX systems. So, in short, while NVIDIA is the brain behind the H200, it takes a global effort to bring it to life. NVIDIA designs it, TSMC fabricates it, Samsung or SK Hynix supply the memory, and specialized manufacturers and integrators build the final AI systems. Producing the H200 is a high-stakes global collaboration, and only a few companies in the world are capable of doing it.